I'm Pantai MKBHD, and I'm about to do unboxing for a very beautiful phone. What you say? Yes, right now I'm be baby. I know we talk plenty. What you say? More for consignment, solid. So, Infinix Hot 12. Is it 1, 2, or 12? Infinix Hot 12. Now, Charlie. I did see 128 gigabyte plus 4. Hey, it'll be small there. Let me start by doing the conundrum level. And see, ladies and gentlemen, Infinix Hot 12, yes. So I can be Sarah, but no, I didn't zoom it to me a year free. Oh wow. Many ambulance, but wow. Anyway, so yes, that is the Infinix Hot 12, and Charlie, it come with a lot of things. What I say, some of the phones right now they come and they know they put charger and things for inside. So I'm gonna say, I'm not sure. Hey. I figure say be some $100 notes via. Welcome to join X Club. Don't do that. Don't do that to me. Don't do that. Okay, so this is okay. Win free phones. Okay, came with it. Let me see what we have here. Okay. It comes with a phone cover actually, so you can put your phone. Oh wow, so you don't even have to spend extra money on going to get a phone case. The phone the package they come with what? Phone case. Okay, the charger is here. This is the cord, so it's here, everything is intact. Okay, and there's earpiece, yes. So yes, please, you people should do this thing, the wireless this thing. It'll be very durable. What I say, as I said, the memory, the storage memory will be 128 gig. Until will crowd with me save also. I don't know. You try videos. If you quit videos there 1,000 times, you have a space. You understand? There are some other phones like small thing or memories this, memory that, but this is 128 gig. Also for the gamers, the processor, my Boston Analytics, what I say, this be like a gaming phone. Into more mobile online game, something fish they do. This phone day for you. Also, if you charge in the chair, charge we say no, you charge in the chair and you go feed like the whole day. Say if you charge and go feed day your body. Then if they take do anything, if they play the game, they are sure say the battery will go back. If they take do normal runners, it will take you go like more than a day save. Yeah. So Charlie, it be my Boston Analytics. Where the camera quality. So for those where they want to start the content creation journey, you go start from here. If they shoot your inner beauty and things. For those of you who are afraid, say, they will come and say my head is big. Don't worry. Infinix Hot 12 got you covered. What I say, so you go first start with this. You shoot, as I said, the memory be big. So when you shoot the videos, you will get space for the phone top to work on the videos. When you export some of these videos, it high. So you need a phone way a memory be big like this. So say it will help you in your storage of metabolism conundrum. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this be something I go recommend for creators, Charlie. And more a phone photography. Me did try a picture about then when you might everybody that Charlie. But where I feel the phone self not say I'll be nice. So they give me proper conundrum. And it's affordable. 1,248 Ghana cedis. It's not even up to 2K. 1,248 Ghana cedis. It's affordable. You can walk into any accredited Infinix shop and get yours. What I say. You can also follow their social media handles, Infinix Ghana and Charlie. Any question that you have about the phone, they will answer for you. And Charlie, however you want to buy it, they will assist you. But yes, Charlie, Infinix Hot 12, my Boston analytics. The gaming processor self in the beam, fish like this be the phone for use, because every day they are so annoying the holding phone. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this advert has been vetted and approved by the Chamber of Dingo. I'm out.